WWE Elimination Chamber 2020 results and match card. Daniel Bryan versus Drew Gulak. The winner of this match was Daniel Bryan. Andrade versus Humberto Carrillo. The winner of this for the United States Champion. The winner of this match returned the United States Champion Andrade. WWE Elimination Chamber SmackDown Tag Team Championship match. This match included Dolph Ziggler and Robert Roode, Heavy Machinery, the Lucha House Party, the Usos, Miz and Morrison, and the New Day. The winners of this match, last eliminating the Usos, returned their SmackDown Tag Team Champions, Miz and Morrison. Aleister Black versus AJ Styles. The winner of this match was Aleister Black. The Street Profits versus Seth Rollins and Buddy Murphy for the Raw Tag Team Champions. The winners of the match retaining the Raw Tag Team Champions, the Street Profits. Braun Strowman versus Shinsuke Nakamura, Cesaro, and Sami Zayn in a 3-on-1 handicap for the Intercontinental Champion. The winner of this match and the new Intercontinental Champion, Sami Zayn. WWE Women's #1 Contender Elimination Chamber match. Natalya versus Liv Morgan versus Shayna Baszler versus Asuka versus Ruby Riott versus Sarah Logan. The winner of this match, last eliminating Asuka, was Shayna Baszler. That's all for Elimination Chamber 2020. Hope you guys enjoy, and see you in the next video.